This problem is all about solving this exponential equation. Now, we are given x to the power 4 equal to bracket open x minus 6 bracket close to the power 4. Say we should find the value of x. So now you can pause this video and try to solve this particular problem. Now, now we are given x to the power 4 equal to bracket open x minus 6 bracket close raised to power 4. Now we're going to move this whole expression to this other side. You now have x to the power 4 minus bracket open x minus 6 to the power 4 equal to 0. Now this expression can also be written in this form. Say x to the power 2 all to the power 2 minus bracket open x minus 6 bracket close to the power 2 all to the power 2 equal to 0. So now this expression is the same thing as saying c square minus d square is equal to c minus d times c plus d. So this expression is the same thing as this. So our c is x raised to the power 2 while our d is x minus c all raised to the power 2. So we are going to have we're going to write this expression in terms of this one at the right hand side. So we'll have x square minus bracket open x minus 6 all squared. Then you have x square plus bracket open x minus 6 all squared equal to 0. So this whole thing is the same thing as this. Now, if you look at the first term on the left hand side is the same thing with this. So we're going to also express it in this form where if here now c is equal to x while d is equal to x minus 6. So we're going to have x minus bracket open x minus 6 x plus bracket open x minus 6 bracket close times this is x square. So let's expand this bracket open x minus 6 square. So you're going to have plus x square minus, so this is 6. This will now be multiplying this by 2. You have minus 12x, then minus 6 square will give you plus 36. So that is it. Now let's open up this bracket. In the far left you have x minus x plus 6, because minus times plus x will give you minus x, minus times minus 6 will give you plus 6. So this now the same thing. Well, let's open up. We have x plus times plus x will give you plus x, plus times minus 6 will give you minus 6. Now we have x square, so plus times plus x square will give you plus x square, plus times minus 12x will give you minus 12x, plus times plus 36 will give you plus 36 equal to 0. So x minus x will give you 6. This whole thing will give you 6. X minus x plus 6 will give you 6, because this will cancel out. Now x plus x minus 6 will give you 2x. This x plus this x will give you 2x minus 6. bracket open, x squared plus x squared will give you 2x squared. This will give you minus 12x plus 36 equal to what? 7. Now let's go to the next page. You have 6 into 2x minus 6 bracket open, 2x squared minus 12x plus 36 equal to 0. So now from this equation, this x and 6 cannot be equal to 0, so cancel it. Let's divide all through by 6. We divide all through by 6. This 6 will cancel itself. 0 divided by 6 is 0, so you have 2x minus 6 into 2x squared minus 12x plus 36 equal to 0. So now we're going to see from this expression, now we have two equations where you have 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is, this is equal to 0, or 2x squared minus 12x plus 36 is equal to 0. So now for this one, if you move this minus 6 to this other side, you have 2x is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, you have x is equal to 3. So this is the first value of x1. So the second one, you have, for us to look for the other ones, we have 2x squared minus 12x plus 36 is equal to 0. So we'll divide all through by 2. So since 2 is a common factor, so we have x squared minus 6x plus 18 equal to 0. Now, from this expression, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, while c is equal to what? 18 plus 18. So let's use the quadratic formula. So now you have x as equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, so x will now be equal to b is minus c minus 6. So you have minus b, so minus 6 here, plus minus the square root of b square. So we have minus 6 square minus 4 times 1 times c, which is 18, divided by 2 times 1, which is a is 1. So minus times minus 6 will give you 6 plus minus the square root of minus 6 square will give you 36 minus, so 4 times 1 times 18 will give us what? 72 all over 2. So you now have 6 plus minus the square root of 36 minus 72 will give us minus 36 all over 2. So this is something like 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 times the square root of minus 1 all over 2. So, and you have 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 times the square root of I square all over 2, because I square is equal to minus 1. So we now have 6 plus minus the square root of 36 is 6. So I square, this square will cancel out the square root. You have I here all over 2. So this will give us what? 3 plus or minus 3i. So because if these two cancel itself, 1, 2 cancel, 6 here is 3, 2 cancels 3, and 6 here is 3. So you have this. Now that means the second x is equal to 3 plus 3i, or the other x is equal to 3 minus 3i. So that means the solution to this problem, you have x1 which is equal to 3, x2 which is equal to 3 minus 3i, x3 which is equal to, 3 plus 3i, then the other one is 3 minus 3i. So that means let's now verify. Let's verify this problem. You have x raised to power 4 equal to, bracket open, x raised to power what? X minus 6 raised to power 4. Now let's look at the left hand side of this expression, which is x raised to power 4. So 3 raised to power 4, 4. Now for x equal to 4, equal to 3, sorry. For x equal to 3, for x equal to 3, you have 3 raised to power 4, which is equal to what? 81. Now the right hand side of the equation is x, bracket open, x minus 6 raised to power 4. So if we substitute x equal to 3, you have 3 minus 6 all raised to power 4. This will give us what? This is minus 3. This will give us minus 3 raised to power 4. So minus 3 raised to power 4. So since the power is even, so this minus will be positive. So we still have 81. So since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, the answer is proved. So this is the end. Do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so that when I make new videos, you will be the first to get it. Thank you and have a nice day.